One big game out here in the lovely city of Salisbury. Doing another Cex and Charity shop hunt. I've seen plenty of charity shops around. Don't know where Cex is at the moment, but we'll find it. Right, let's go check this place out. Right, first up we've got the Trussell Trust. Right, let's go check this place out. Nothing here. No video games. Nice teddies though. Right, next up, when I get across the road, is the hospice shop. Right, let's go check this place out. Oh, got one copy of FIFA 15 for £1. Oh well. Right, Kaz's joined us just in time for the Big Ox fan shop. Quite a big one, this goes all the way over there. Right, we want to go in the main shop, not the cook shop. Let's go check it out. Kaz is in. Oh. No video games, but we can get some nice Tony's chocolate.
Yeah.
Next up, men cap, self walks. Some good stuff in the windows. Got Minecraft set there. One copy. Wii Fit. Well, next up, we've got cash converters. Try not to get run over again. It's quite a busy road. Next up we've got Cancer Research UK. I haven't had much luck so far finding anything. Let's hope this place changes it. Couple, not many. It was free. Katy Perry edition. Yeah, nothing worth getting. Right, next up we've got Wiltshire Site. Which, yeah, so hopefully they've got something good in here. Kaz's Halloween costume. Sadly, no video games in either.
So there's much else down here, charity shop wise.
One of many little. Yeah. There's an old antique shop here, but yeah, this is what all the roads. Oh no, there's an Age UK over there. I think it's shut. Well, there was an Age UK over there, but the gates are shut. We found Age UK. It's inside this St George wall thing. Right, let's go in. Yeah, all we've got in here is a couple of FIFAs, 16 and 17 on the PS4. Got a nice little shopping area this. Don't know if there's any charity shops or anything here. Let's go and have a look. The second of Trussell Trust. Looks like it's mainly closing there, but we're going to check it out. Yeah, with only clothes and kid stuff. Lovely. Nice entrance here into the town. Or city, should I say. And yeah, we've got a Rollies fudge shop here, so I'm going to go check that out. Yum yum. To this place is really cool. Nice lad. Oh. Yeah, looks quite nice. Could be a charity shop around here as well, apparently. Whether it's one of these ones that's shut down or not, I'm not sure. Maybe it's inside. The Market Walk. Who knows? Oh well. Come out into this place. It's really nice, old town. Got a little market on, so I'll go check that out. Oh, it's quite a big little market, this. I think it's quite back. Look at that right back. Like 3 rows. Yeah. Cake stuff over there. Olives. Cheesemonger. Yeah, it's pretty good. Like an old monument here, right outside what looks like the City Hall. Yeah. But yeah, look at that old building behind it. And all them ones there. Oh look, just spotted something in the distance. Cex. Strange seeing Cex without its red sign. And it doesn't look like it's got much in the window either. Yeah. Let's go check out inside. come here to Salisbury on Tuesday. Oh, for some reason they're shut. I don't know why. But they don't open till 11. You're right, if you ever lay in bed, the Warhammer shop. Quite good actually, look at that nice decoration on there. Right, next we've got the British Red Cross. I think this is the last charity shop here. Couldn't see any more around, but we'll keep looking. And if I do find any, you'll see it here first. Sadly, no video games. Oh, it's got an arcade, that's quite good. 1 hour, £7. 2 hours 11, all day pass, £15. Yeah, it's alright in there. Not much in there, but a little arcade. Part of the market here, they've used part of this nice little chapel thing. More old buildings. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else here. But I do want to go and see the cathedral. So yeah, we'll go and head over there. I lied, there's one more, a British Heart Foundation we just stumbled across. Let's go check this place out. Nothing worth getting there. And here we are, we've made it to the cathedral.
That's the one for bugs, look.
Oh, not the real one then?
Yeah, little bugs and wasps and things will live in there.
Oh, good. I found a brick wall. Oh, wait. It's the cathedral. Look at the size of it. It's massive. I'll be out there in a bit, hopefully. Right, there's the entrance. Let's go play it again. Here we are at the grounds. I've just been in there and seen a part of the Magna Carta. You're not going to take photos or videos, so yeah, that was interesting to see. Yes, and we are done here in Salisbury. There's the cathedral in the background. All right, let's get back to the games room and show you what we got from this place. Got a nice couple of games. I don't think I own these ones already, so yeah. Let's go back and check them out. And we are back from Salisbury, however you pronounce it. We went to the cathedral, it was lovely. I only put a little bit of footage in there because I recommend that all of you go there yourselves and go and check it out. It was a fantastic place. Yeah, nice little town as well, quite big, or city should I say. City, as it's got a cathedral. Yeah, right, so big place. Lots of charity shops. Weren't anything in the charity shops worth getting though, sadly. But I did pick up 2 things in the Cex. So, the first one is an absolute bargain. They're both for the Xbox One / Series X, whatever you want to call it. So the first one is a Steelbook edition of Fallout 4. So yeah, this is quite a nice Steelbook, this. It either come out of a collector's edition or someone's lost the slipcover, because these things never have it. But anyway, yeah, £2.50 that was. It's come with a load of DLC and stuff in it, whether it works or not, whether I can even read it, because it's all auto damaged and mouldy. So I'm just going to try the codes what were in it, and then if I can crack it open and chuck it away. But yeah, inside there's another little picture, quite a nice little art scene there without getting me in it. There you go, pretty cool. So yeah, for £2.50. I'm not even sure if I've got Fallout 4 or not, so this will just be going straight into the collection and nothing will have to come out, because I don't think I actually own Fallout 4. So yeah, happy with that one. And the last one I got was Trine 5. So a Clockwork Conspiracy. So yeah, I've got Trine 1 to 4. So I had to pick up number 5. I believe they're like little platforming point and click adventure games. Oh, what's happened there? The thing's just died. Yeah, my tripod I used just died, so it was literally just spinning around. But yeah, as I was saying, I think it's like a little point and click adventure game. I'm not too sure. Can play co-op up to 4 players, so it must be some sort of adventure game. platforming, something like that. But anyway, yeah, £12 that was. So, enjoyed my day out in Salisbury. Looking forward to another day there. Go around the cathedral a bit more. This camera angle is not very good for me. But anyway, yeah, I need to go charge up my thing before I do my next one. So anyway, I just need to say thank you all for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.